Welcome. This series is about interviewing for Lead MLOps roles. And today we're mapping the whole loop, what each round is really testing, and how a lead level answer differs from a senior one.
The big mistake people make is treating it like a trivia exam. At the lead level, almost nothing is about recalling a command. It's about judgment under ambiguity and whether they trust you to own a platform.
So what does a typical loop actually look like? Walk me through the rounds.
First, a breadth screen. They sweep across the lifecycle: data, training, serving, monitoring, infra, just to see where the holes are. You don't need to be deep everywhere, but you can't go blank on a whole stage. Then a deep dive. They pick one area, usually something on your resume, and push until you hit the edge of what you know. The goal is to find your true depth, so don't claim mastery you can't defend.
The system design round is the one everyone's scared of. What are they grading there?
They want to watch you think. Start by pinning requirements and constraints, latency, scale, freshness, before drawing a single box. Then narrate trade-offs out loud. A clean diagram with no reasoning scores, worse than a messy one with sharp judgment.
And the behavioral round, surely that's softer?
It's frequently the round that sets your level and your offer. For a lead role, they're probing influence, incident ownership, mentoring, and how you handle conflict. Vague team stories read as junior. Specific decisions you drove read as lead. Last is a practical round, debugging a broken pipeline, reviewing a config, or a focused coding task. It's less about elegance and more about how methodically you isolate a problem.
Let's make the senior versus lead difference concrete. Same question, both levels. What changes?
Ask both how to deploy a model. The senior describes a solid rollout, canary, metrics, rollback. The lead does that and then talks about the bet, the blast radius if it's wrong, who's on call, and what it costs the org to run.
Give me a structure I can fall back on when a question's open-ended and my mind goes blank.
Clarify what success means. State your assumptions so you're not guessing silently. Walk the 2 or 3 real trade-offs, then commit to a choice and name the condition that would change it. That arc works for design, debugging, and even behavioral answers.
What quietly sinks strong engineers in these loops?
Jumping to a solution before clarifying, hand-waving when asked about cost or scale, never mentioning what breaks, and for leads especially, telling every story as I instead of we, which makes interviewers doubt you can actually lead.
How should I prep in the week before, given all this?
Have 3 stories you can tell in depth. Where you drove a decision. Practice one full ML system design end to end. Know rough cost and latency numbers for the systems you've run. And be ready to walk a real incident, what you did and what you changed after.
So if someone remembers one thing from this episode, what is it?
Every round is really asking the same thing. Can we hand you a platform and trust your judgment when it's ambiguous? Show your reasoning, own your decisions, and name the risks, and you'll read as a lead. Next episode, we go deep on ML pipelines and orchestration.